Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. On this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix in case if your sound doesn't play with the email notification in your Windows or with any version of the Outlook in your Windows. Now, these are the couple of steps which you can try, and you can try this step with the all the versions of Outlook. First thing is you will have to make sure your sound volumes are set to the right level and the speakers are working. Next thing is you will have to open Outlook. Click on File at the top left corner of the screen and then click on Options. Under Options, you will have to click on Mail. Under Mail, you will have to scroll down a little bit here and look under Message Arrival and make sure this box has been checked, which says Play a Sound. Once, if it is not checked, make sure you go ahead and check it. Click on OK, and then you can go ahead and minimize the Outlook. So the next thing what you will have to do is you will have to do a right click on the start button and go to settings. Once you're on the settings page under system, you will have to look for notification. Under notification, you will have to scroll down a bit and look for Outlook under this section. So which would be basically in alphabetical order. So you would find Outlook here. Make sure it is being turned on and then click on this arrow here. Under this arrow, make sure you have this option which says play a sound when a notification arises has been set to turn on. Now once it is done, what you can do is you can try to send a test email to yourself and see if it works. And at the same time, what you can also do is you can do a right click, go back to settings. And once you're on the settings page, you will have to click on Focus Assist. Under Focus Assist, make sure the Focus Assist is being turned off. So making sure all these settings are right will help you to fix the problem in case if the notification doesn't play with your Outlook in any of the version. So I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.